So this is how the 12AX7 is sounding. Yes, this is how the 12AX sounding, and then I'm going to compare with the. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So I'm going to compare the 12AX7 with the 12AU7. Yes, with the 12AU7. Right now you're hearing the audio directly from the 12AX7. Again, this is one of a very good tube. I'm recording directly into the Zoom F4 field recorder. So this is the quality of the 12AX7 tube. Now I'm going to like sing a song, something like that. Once upon a time, I forgot one thing. I didn't turn on the drive. So to use the tube preview to turn the drive. So the drive is around 50%. Now tell me how good I'm sounding before you are hearing without the drive. Again, I'm going to do the same test for the 12AU7. Again, this is the 12AX7. So I'm gonna sing a song. Once upon a time, there was you. Why didn't I notice you? Why didn't? My half heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh la la la, Havana, Havana. Start with why. I don't know why. It doesn't really matter how hard you try. I mean, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, that is quite good to be honest with you. Where was you when I was alone? Okay, okay, can you hear me or not? Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to switch it. So this is just an audio test. So I'm using the Moolah tube. Yes, I'm using the Moolah A12 AU tube. Now you need to be the judge how good I am sounding. Let me show you my gain. My gain is at 38 decibel, as you can see. Yeah, my gain is at 38 decibel. I wanna show you that. So yeah, tell me how good I am sounding. Now let me put the drive at around like 100%. Again, you need to be the judge how good I'm sounding. Jimmy a Geek rocks. Jimmy a Geek rocks. So tomorrow I am going to eat some hot cake. I'm just testing the tube, okay? From 0 to 100%, let me go, okay? Tomorrow I am going to eat some hot cake. Tomorrow I am going to eat some hot cake. Tomorrow I am going to eat some hot cake. Tomorrow I am going to eat some hot cake. So now let me take out the microphone and plug inside. Tomorrow I'm going to eat some hot cake. So now I'm directly recording with my Zoom F4. Yeah, to now I'm directly recording with my Zoom F4. Again, you need to be the judge which have the better audio. Tomorrow I am going to buy some hot cake. Tomorrow I am going to buy some hot cake.